Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make my patented 8-egg or 6-egg milkshake, cream shake, whatever you want to call it. So the first thing I did, so I'm putting fresh strawberries in this one. I have the strawberries here. Now strawberries are one of the fruits that's probably the highest in pesticides in terms of they use a lot of pesticides just to cultivate strawberries, even the organic ones. So what you want to do is you want to leave those soaking for a few minutes with some apple cider vinegar. This is some apple cider vinegar. Hopefully that'll reduce the pesticide residue. I don't think it's going to eliminate it completely, but at least it'll be better. So the next thing we're going to do while that's soaking, we're going to put in some eggs, right? So this is going to be for 2 people. I think today we're going to use maybe 10 eggs for 2 people, okay? So if a little bit of eggshell goes in there, no big deal. Adds to the calcium content, I guess. Okay, so that's 10 whole eggs. Now I'm just going to take the tops off of these strawberries and put those in as well. So don't worry if the strawberries aren't the best looking strawberries, they're going to be blended up. For those of you who don't want to take any kind of fruit, that's totally fine. You can do this with just some vanilla flavoring, or sometimes I put a bit of coffee powder in there. You could even do it with chocolate, like with cocoa powder. That turns out pretty good. Okay, so that's the strawberries. The next ingredient we're going to put is some cream. This is just pure cream. It happens to be from a tin. If you can get farm fresh cream, that's even better, but this is what we have today. Okay, so then the next thing, because it's summertime here in South Africa, we're going to put some ice in, just as much as you like. And sometimes, you know, one of the reasons that we make this shake is because it's very filling. So if you want to bulk it up, one of the things that fills you up is just the amount of space that's taken up in your gut. So if you wanted to add some water to this, we can. I don't really feel like adding water today. I'm going to keep it a little on the thicker side. I'm going to put a few drops of stevia. Again, leave this out if you don't like stevia. And then you just cover it and give it a blend. When it's blended, it should look something like this. Now again, if you put water in it, it'll be a little bit thinner. This one doesn't have water, so it's a little bit on the thicker side. You could add a garnish if you want, mint sprig or something, but there's no need really. And there you go. So what I found since I've introduced this to my routine is that I really don't have the kind of carb cravings and the kind of sugar cravings that I used to have. And I don't think it's because this is sweet. I think it's because there's so many micronutrients in the eggs that whatever nutritional deficiencies I was having, even as someone who's been trying to improve my diet for more than 5 years, they weren't being met completely. And I think adding raw eggs into the mix really helped to address those issues. So here you go, raw egg smoothie. Enjoy.